Good morning, friends. I hope everyone is doing well. I request everyone to watch my videos in a sequence for better understanding. If you really like my videos, please press the like button, share the videos with your friends, subscribe to my channel, and even press the bell button to get the regular updates. In the last few videos, I have discussed about what is a transmission medium and how the transmission medium is classified into guided and then unguided transmission medium. Then we have discussed about the subcategories in the guided transmission mediums such as twisted pair cables, coaxial cables and fiber optical cables. I hope you have watched all those videos. In this video, I want to discuss about the three subcategories in the unguided transmission medium. The unguided transmission medium will be used in the wireless communication. There, electromagnetic waves plays a major role. I think everyone know about the electromagnetic spectrum. Am I right? We will have the radio waves, we have the microwaves, we have the infrared, we have the visible light, and we have the X-rays and gamma rays, all these things. Whereas these radio waves and microwaves and infrared waves can be used for the communication. Okay, so now let me discuss about the radio waves. The frequency range of a radio waves is from 3 kilohertz to 300 megahertz, and it will be useful for the communication in the long distance. Okay, and it can be easily penetrate the walls. So that is the advantage of the radio waves, and it will be useful in the radio communication such as FM, AM, and even in the radio navigation systems. Okay, now in the radio waves, if I want to transfer the data from the source to destination, the source should have the antenna and the receiver also should have an antenna. So from the source antenna, the data will be transferred and the receiver antenna will receive it. Okay, so the antennas are very important in the wireless communication. Coming to the microwaves, the range is from 300 megahertz to 300 gigahertz. Okay, they will be useful for point-to-point communication because they does not penetrate through the walls. The microwaves will not penetrate to the walls, and one more important is that the source and the destination should be in the line of sight. Okay, the source antenna and the receiver antenna should be in the line of sight for have a communication using microwaves, and it majorly used in the wireless networks. Okay, so the main problem is that it is required the line of sight. And coming to the infrared communication is having the frequency range from 300 gigahertz to 400 terahertz. Okay, and it will be useful for very short range communication, and it does not penetrate through walls. So the infrared waves cannot penetrate through the walls, and it is majorly used in the applications such as TV remote, automatic doors, etc. Okay, so the drawback is that they cannot easily penetrate through the walls, and even we cannot usually use it in the outdoor communication. Okay, in the outdoor environment, usually the infrared communication will create some problem, whereas in indoor they will work properly, whereas the radio waves can work properly in the indoor and outdoor environment also. I hope you have understood the radio waves and the microwaves and also infrared and what is their frequency range and their application. Okay, so if you still have any doubts related to this concept, feel free to ask me in the comment section. I will try to clear your doubts in less than 24 hours. Thank you for watching my video. Have a nice day.